Now from Washington, Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos will be meeting with the House Subcommittee on the Coronavirus Rapid Amelioration Program to outline his proposal for kickstarting the economy by putting the nation back to work, delivering packages to one another. Representative Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez from New York, who heads the subcommittee, expressed her skepticism, saying, "I don't know, I just don't trust Amazon. They out there saying, to ensure timely delivery of certain essential critical items, your package will arrive in 3 weeks. And then they're like, kidding, it's on your doorstep already, go get it." And in other news, a local woman says she can't figure out why days on end at home in isolation with her family has not resulted in the kind of joyful bliss and productivity she had imagined when the stay-at-home orders began rolling in. She told the Herald, "I wake up every morning hoping to be a better parent, and by the end of breakfast I'm all..." Despite her high hopes, this mother of four discovered that living through the most devastating crisis in her lifetime, with a deadly pandemic wreaking havoc on the global economy and health, was not the boon to her creativity and emotional well-being she anticipated, saying, "I just thought working at home and the seemingly endless Zoom meetings would give me time, finally, to master the one-handed tree pose, baking ciabatta bread, and instructing my children in Sanskrit. Turns out, after a month and a half on DoorDash, I've mastered the cow face pose, helping my kids to self-learn, and getting through every day by the motto, 'It's 5 o'clock somewhere.'" Well, I guess Black Monday meets the Black Plague isn't all that it's cracked up to be after all. I can say one thing, though. This is the most self-aware quarantine mom we have come across yet. Up next, when we come back from the break, we will hear all about how the U.S. is planning to pay for the $2.2 trillion in stimulus packages using low-interest loans from China. Stay tuned.